Alors, cette collection est née d'une envie profonde de capturer la grâce unique des femmes vietnamiennes. Bonjour, je m'appelle Camille Mao. Je suis directrice développement et design chez Scavi Group. On s'est inspiré de lieux historiques et culturels comme le lac Hoàng Dinh à Hanoi et la rivière Hanoi, en traduisant leur poésie et leur architecture dans des silhouettes modernes, féminines et sculpturales. C'est une élégance vraiment naturelle, subtile, mais très puissante, comme l'image de Miss Vietnam. Au-delà du style, c'est un message d'affirmation, de confiance et de fièvre culturelle. Et c'est exactement cette vision qu'on portait aussi à l'international à travers nos marques et nos collaborations. Parce qu'avant le design, avant de dessiner, on écoute, on analyse les besoins réels du marché et l'attente des consommatrices, les tendances globales et comme les tendances de couleurs, tendances de tissus, les tendances locales aussi. Et cela nous permet de créer des pièces qui ne sont pas juste belles, mais pertinentes, désirables et porteuses de sens.
Very interesting, yeah? It's very
Hi, I'm Lily Crisostomo, and I'm the Vice President for Design and Technical. A beautiful sketch is just the beginning, but bringing the vision to life requires precision, craftsmanship, and relentless attention to detail. We start by truly understanding the design intent. What does our customer want? What story do they want to tell? What emotions they want to evoke? And we translate this into fabric, fit, and finish. Our technical team works hand in hand with pattern makers, sewing technicians to ensure that everything reflects with the original vision of the designer. Especially for something that is intimate and empowering as swimwear, where confidence comes from both beauty and comfort, we focus on every element. Our focus is not just to look beautiful, but feels beautiful to wear. That's our promise. Comfort in lingerie and sportswear from a technical perspective is very important. So we focus on the perfect harmony of fit, fabric, and function. We start with how the garment interacts with the body, supporting without restricting, and shaping without squeezing. We use a 3D tool to perfect the fit of our garments. All of this must be calibrated with absolute accuracy because even a millimeter can make a big difference. So we're gonna do the fit, so come with me and I will show you. Hi, Trang. How are you doing? Yes, how are we doing? I think it's good. So for this garment on the strap, we have to ensure that the strap is placed on the correct position according to the design requirement. You have to make sure that there's no digging, it's not tight. So for this garment also on the bust cup, it's very important that we perfect the coverage and the support, and the depth of the cup is also there. So with that, I think we have adjusted this already. So on the waist, it's very important that there is no bulge and no compression. It cannot be very tight and it cannot be too loose. So for this garment, we have adjusted it. It's also important not only the pattern, but the machine tension. Right? Yeah, especially on this application. Or no digging on the body as well, right? And also sometimes it could cliff, so we have to make sure that it's flat. So what do you think? I think our fit is perfect.